Craving something crispy, cheesy, and absolutely delicious? The mix of ginger, garlic, and cumin has anti-inflammatory properties that boost digestion inside. Did you know kebabs originated in the Middle East and were traditionally cooked over open flames? Now they are enjoyed worldwide in many variations. Welcome to Enoven Foods. I'm Nahida with you. Let's start. In a bowl, take 1 cup minced chicken, add 2 tablespoons chopped onion, 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon chili powder, half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon cumin, half teaspoon garam masala, 1 teaspoon tandoori masala, 1 teaspoon chopped green chili, and 1 teaspoon lemon juice. Mix everything well. Using fresh chicken mince ensures softer kebabs. To get that perfect kebab texture, take 2 bread slices, break them into pieces, and mix them with the chicken. Then pour everything into a blender and blend until smooth. Did you know breadcrumbs not only bind the mixture but also keep kebabs soft and juicy? Tandoori masala give the kebab a smoky, restaurant-style taste, so you can enjoy a gourmet dish right at home. Chicken is high in protein, helping with muscle growth and overall health. Grease your hands with oil, take some mixture and flatten it. Now place a cheese slice in the center and carefully roll it into a kebab shape. Cheese adds a creamy texture and enhances the flavor of the kebab. Cheese kebabs are a fusion twist to classic kebabs. Use mozzarella for a stretchy texture or cheddar for a stronger flavor. Now beat 1 egg. Dip the kebab in beaten egg, then coat it with breadcrumbs for that crispy golden crust. Dip the kebab twice in egg and breadcrumbs to get an extra crispy crust. Fry in medium heated oil for 7-8 minutes or until golden brown. Chicken is a great source of protein while cheese adds calcium for stronger bones. Don't overcook or the chicken may dry out. Fry on medium heat for the best result. There you have it, chicken cheese kebabs, crispy, juicy and bursting with flavor. Would you try this crispy cheesy delight? Comment yes if you are a cheese lover. What's your favorite kebab filling? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more drool-worthy recipes.